what is hiding in your AC? Before your AC technician tells you, Oga, this AC needs gas, watch this video. Because what I found inside my own inverter air conditioner was disgusting. And here's what makes this even more surprising. I clean this AC every 3 to 4 months, not once a year, not once every 2 years, every 3 to 4 months. And it still looked like this. So imagine what could be hiding inside an air conditioner that has never been properly cleaned since the day it was installed. It started with a smell. I actually started this maintenance because I noticed a funny smell in the room whenever the AC was running. It wasn't overpowering. It was just that stale, unpleasant smell that tells you that something is not right. Now I clean my filters regularly. So I knew that simply removing the filter, washing it and putting it back was not going to solve this problem. I opened the indoor unit and looked deeper. And when I saw the blower roller, I knew I had found the problem. Take a look at the blower. Look carefully at these pictures. That black material is sitting inside the blower that circulates air around the room. There is dust. There is soot. There is contamination. And remember that the inside of an air conditioner also deals with moisture from condensation. So you have moisture, dirt, and a dark enclosed environment. Over time, that buildup can become nasty. But what really got my attention was this. I cleaned this machine just a few months ago. Let me repeat that. 3 to 4 months. That is all it took for my blower to look like this again. Now, think about the AC in your bedroom, or your children's room, your office, a hotel room, a restaurant. Maybe that AC has been on the wall for 3 years, maybe 5 years, and every time somebody comes to service it, they remove the filter, wash that filter outside, put it back, and tell you the AC has been serviced. Meanwhile, nobody has touched the blower. Wait until you see what came out. So I took a brush and started loosening the dirt from the blower. And you're going to see this in the video. As I scrubbed, the black material started coming off. Then I brought out a low pressure washer and properly flushed the evaporator fins and the blower. What came out was ugly, black water. And that is the moment you realize that a clean AC filter does not necessarily mean you have a clean air conditioner. But I wasn't finished. After cleaning the indoor unit, I went outside and cleaned the condenser. I didn't do a video of this part. That outdoor unit is part of the same refrigeration system. It has to get rid of the heat your AC removes from the room. If its coil is clogged with dirt and airflow is restricted, cooling performance can suffer and the system has to work harder. Yeah, this is another part of AC maintenance that is frequently ignored. He says your AC needs gas. And now we come to something many Nigerians will recognize. Your AC is not cooling properly. And somebody immediately says, the gas has finished. But refrigerant is not petrol. Your air conditioner does not consume gas every few months as part of normal operation. If the refrigerant is genuinely low, somebody should be asking why it is low. And before automatically adding refrigerant, airflow, the evaporator, the blower, and the outdoor condenser should be properly checked. So I'm not just going to talk about it. I'm going to show you what happens when I put the brush into this blower. Watch the amount of black material that comes off. Then watch the color of the water when I finally wash everything out. And throughout this video, remember, this AC is maintained every 3 to 4 months. If mine looked like this after only a few months, imagine what could be hiding inside one that hasn't been properly cleaned since it was purchased. This is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. Now, take a look at this and don't forget to subscribe. Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So today, we're going to do AC maintenance tips. I cover a lot of stuff with you. So this is something that's really important. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. If you like what you see, do comment and share. So if you notice, your AC starts to produce some really odd smells, and no matter what you do, that smell can't seem to go away. And then you also notice that your AC doesn't cool as well as it normally would. And then you find yourself either decreasing the temperature, which results in the AC consuming more power, or you call someone who tells you that the AC is low on gas, and then they put more gas into the AC, and that actually starts to ruin the system. So what I'm going to show you is something that most AC repair people do not know about and do not do. And as you could see there's a lot of dirt here. Let me see if I get it focused. You can see all that dirt, right? That is actually what slows your AC down. Do you look at, let me see if you could see that, the roller. Yes, you can see it, but it's not, okay, yeah, you can see it now. You can see the amount of dirt there, right? That's what causes the smell, and that's what reduces how well your AC performs. So today, I'm going to use the brush to clean as much of it out as possible, and the rest, I'll use my low pressure washer to clean it. So stand by. Right now, I'm using the brush. You see that, and it's bringing down whatever dirt that is there. And then the remainder, as you can see, I'll use the low pressure washer to remove the dirt. So stay tuned, I'll come back with the pressure washer and then I'll show you the after result. I also would run, as you can see dirt here, right? Those fins also trap a lot of dirt. You need to wash that also. That's part of, this is what allows your system to cool very well. And when it has a lot of dirt in it, it doesn't cool and it traps a lot of smell. So this corrosion you see here was from the last one I did. So what I'll do is I'll spray some WD-40 to clean it and prevent corrosion. So I'm going to run water through here, low pressure water through here, and then we'll collect inside this that goes into a bucket to trap all the dirt. So I'll show you what comes out, and I'll also show you how I did it. I'll be right back. If you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more. Look at all the yucky crap that you've been breathing in. So as you know, your AC actually, all it does is it recirculates the air. Let me see if you can see all the crap. You see it? It recirculates the air that you breathe, that is in the room, and then cools it. It doesn't bring in any outside air. These systems anyway, they are closed loop systems. So all they do is they just cool the air that's already in the room. So this is all the pollution that comes from, that's in the room. My neighbor runs their generator non-stop. And this is what is coming into my room, and then it's being recirculated and cooled. So it takes the air that's already in the room and cools that air. And this is the junk you're breathing. As you can see, this is extremely unhealthy. And my windows are always permanently closed. Look at this. Yuck. Can you imagine? You're breathing this nonsense. Oh my God. You can see what has come out from the bucket. So what has come out, and look at the, so this is the pressure washer I'm using. And you can see, I'm not done yet, but you can see the amount of crap that's being washed out. I've done this area. See, I splattered some stuff on top. Sorry for the jerky camera work. So you can see could still see all the dirt left, so I'm not done. I'll sign off and come back again and show you what it is I'm doing. But let's look underneath and see if it's a little cleaner. Yep, it's a little cleaner. But we'll be on it. We'll be at it for a little while. Normally, I don't take this much time to clean it, but today I'm going to do that. Have you subscribed? Please smash the subscribe button. More than 80% of you that watch my videos are not subscribers. So subscribe, comment, and tell me what other topics you would like to see me cover in my next video. Oops, I made a mess. This pulled out, and as you can see, there's water all over the floor. So, by the way, sorry, I bought this on Temu. It's not the best, but it's better than nothing. What it does, it collects the water, and then you allow the water to collect in a basket. So it came with that brush you saw me using earlier. So there are okay things on Temu. My success rate on Temu was like 20 or 30%. Everything else I bought did not quite meet what my expectations were. So let's look and see what it looks like. There's still some dirt in it. I did a slight solution of bleach and water. That will help me remove the smells. I'll blast it one more time. And as you can see, it's substantial improvement. It's much cleaner. There's still a little bit of dirt. That's cake tin dirt. Let me see if I can spin it. See, there's a little bit of an improvement. Or there's a lot of improvement. So this is what traps smells and then reduces the efficiency. Because through this, as it spins, it blows air through it. And if it has a lot of dirt, like the debris you saw on there, it cannot push air out as much as it should. And that reduces the cooling efficiency of your air conditioner. I'll be back. So I'm done. You can see what came out from your AC. And this was cleaned about 3 or 4 months ago. So that tells you how, if you've not done yours in years, how bad yours could possibly be. So let's take a look. My Temu bag. And let's look inside. You could see it's a substantial improvement from where we started. Oh, by the way, make sure you turn power off before you do anything. Put on goggles because water will get in your eye. Use a low pressure washer. Oh, I didn't clean in there. Let me see if I could try and get in there and see if I can get there. But as you could see, the fins are now clean. I'm going to spray some WD-40 on there to stop the rust. Next time, if you want to install an air conditioner, don't have them installed it so close to the roof. As you can see, I've made a mess. See, I've made a mess there. So have them install it a little lower. So bring it, maybe instead of that height, bring it down to this level. I think it does a better job. So this was not properly installed. It's in a corner, making maintenance difficult, and it doesn't allow much room above the top. So when you get your AC installed, try to think about maintenance. So this is it. If you have any comments or questions, post it in the comment section below. So remember that there are 2 units. There's the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. You need to do the same thing also for the outdoor unit. The outdoor unit is easier. As you can see, I removed this part. I'll put it back later. Normally, the people who would do it would actually open this and remove this cover, and it allows them easier access, but I cannot remove the cover. I don't have the skill set to remove the cover, so I do it the way I've done it. And it works fairly okay. Could it be better? Definitely. But it's better than doing nothing at all. So I believe doing something is much better than doing nothing at all. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Like I said, 70 to 80% of you who watch my channel are not subscribers. You subscribe, you comment, it forces the YouTube algorithm to direct content to people like you. Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria.